People are talking about Sunset Ford of Sumner. First up is Craig. Had some basic maintenance and warranty work done on my F-350 truck. Very courteous, helpful, and on time. Next up is Telly. Service work is thorough and complete. Service Rep Austin is very helpful and answered all our questions. And here's Dan. This visit was for warranty work, done ahead of time and great service, efficient and respectful. And finally, here's Christine. Sunset Ford is fast, knowledgeable, and reliable. I would not take my vehicle anywhere else.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.